Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. I will show you how to embed the report server's report designer in an application using ASP.NET MVC. The report server is a powerful application that allows you to store, manage, and deliver reports for your users. Embedding the report server in your application provides seamless access to your reports without having to switch to a different application. You need two items to embed the designer, as it is not possible to integrate it simply with the frame. Reporting service. This service is used to interact from your application. Reporting tools. Use the JavaScript report designer from the Bold Reporting Tools. The designer is also built using the same service. First, let me show you how to create an ASP.NET MVC application. Open Visual Studio 2022 and click Create a new project. Select the ASP.NET Web Application, .NET Framework. Click the Next button. Change the application name to MVC Report Server Designer. Then click the Create button. In the Create a new ASP.NET Web Application dialog, select MVC. Check the Web API checkbox. And then click Create. See, an ASP.NET MVC web application has been created. Next, I need to install the required NuGet packages and assembly references. For that, in the Solution Explorer tab, right-click the project or solution and choose Manage NuGet Packages. In the Browse tab, search for the boldreports.mvc5 package and install it in the MVC application. In the same way, I install the boldreports.javascript package. I have mentioned the purpose of each package in the table. The boldreports.mvc5 package contains HTML helpers to create a client-side report designer control. The boldreports.javascript package contains reporting components, scripts, and style sheets. Open the web.config file from the Views folder and add the boldreports.mvc assembly reference to the system.web.webpages.razor element. Next, I open the web.config file from the root directory and set the value of unobtrusive JavaScript enabled to false. If you want to use unobtrusive JavaScript enabled, then add a reference to the ej.unobtrusive.min.js script in your application. You can refer to the script from the installed location. Now, let me refer the scripts and styles to render the report designer. I open layout.cshtml from the views/shared folder. Then, copy the necessary scripts for the documentation and add it after removing the existing code. Now, let me configure the script manager. In layout.cshtml, add the script manager at the end of the body element. Now, let me initialize the report designer control. The control can be added using the bold tag. I open the index.cshtml file from the views/home folder and add the bold.reportDesigner tag to render the control. It requires the service URL, report server URL, and service authorization token to perform API actions with the report server. Inside the bold tag, enter the assigned value for the service URL. This URL specifies the Web API service URL. It contains the server name, service name, and the REST API name. The format is http://reportserver-domain/reporting/report-service/API/designer. In this demo, since I have hosted the report server on my local machine, I have specified the report server domain as localhost, along with the port number in which I am hosting it. You can use your own report server domain. Reporting/report service/API/designer represents the service name. Then, I enter report server URL in the bold tag. Here, it specifies the server name and site information. The format is http://report server name/reporting/api/site/site name. As before, I set the report server name as localhost along with the port number. Site/site1 represents the site from which I am going to load the report in the control. Since I load the designer control from site1, I specify site/site1. You can specify your own. Finally, I need to add the service authorization token. For this demo, I use the service authorization token report server UI. You can also generate a service authorization token using credentials or then embedded secret key. I have provided the link in the video description for your reference. First, I log into my report server. Next, open the user profile page. I click the Personal Access token from the top panel. You can change the token expiration period here. Click the Generate Token button and confirm it. Once the token is generated, I copy it. Then I enter the service authorization token in the bold tag. Now, everything is ready for previewing the Report Designer control. To preview, build and run the application. You can see that the control is loaded in the browser. You can add some report items and save the report in the report server. In this demo, I showed you how to embed the Report Designer from the Enterprise Report Server. You can also embed the Report Designer from the Cloud Report Server. I have provided the documentation link for that in the video description. In this video, I have shown you how to create an ASP.NET MVC application, add the scripts to render the Report Designer control, and initialize the control. I have also provided the documentation link in the description below for the steps that are followed in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.